Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you the contents of Aircalin's business class amenity kit. So you've got the very colorful pouch there. So you've got the payout amenities there, as you can see in the cream lip balm that you got there. Got a tissue, headphone cover, cotton pads, actually quite stocked pretty well. Earplugs, got an Aircalin pen to make notes of things. Got the toothbrush on the dental kit. Got the eye mask, socks, and a nice little bag for the showing the hibiscus business class. So nice little touch there with the bag. So those are the contents of Aircalin's business class amenity kit. This was on my flight from Paris to Bangkok. So as always, I appreciate you guys watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.